Learning English through short stories. The Prince and the Loyal Dog. In a country, there was a prince who lived in a palace with his wife and young child, and they had a loyal dog that was highly valued by the prince and his family. The prince's relationship with this dog was particularly distinguished, as he was treated as a beloved member of the family and considered a loyal friend. He would accompany the prince on all his travels and activities, including hunting trips. One day, the prince's wife died suddenly, which caused deep sadness in the prince's heart. Sometime after her death, the prince decided to go out on a hunting trip to forget his sadness and start a new life. But he was facing a challenge regarding his child. Where would he leave him, and who would take care of him while he was away? The prince decided to entrust his faithful dog to take care of his son, because he was the most worthy of the task. The prince left on his journey, but he did not enjoy it in the same way as he used to, as he was not accompanied by his friend the dog as before. He was also concerned about his only son and how the dog would take care of him. He therefore decided to return home early. When the prince approached the house, he saw the dog running towards him recklessly and raising his voice strongly. The dog was covered in blood. Panic escalated in the prince's heart, and he began to shout with a question. What happened? What happened? While the dog was jumping and spinning around nervously, the prince ran home, terrified, and hurried to his child's bed and found it empty, with all the covers, and the house stained with blood. The prince panicked and shouted angrily. He pulled out his sword and ran to his dog and killed him instantly. He did not respond to the howling of the dog calling him, nor did he feel any mercy towards him. On the contrary, he felt nothing but anger and remorse because he left the child with the dog without human care, so he started crying and collapsed. While he was crying, he heard the voice of his little boy, so he got up and rushed to look for him. He found him in the next room playing on the floor, and next to him a snake was lying on the ground and covered in blood. At that time, he knew that his child was still alive, not dead. The prince continued crying, remorseful for what he had done, and knew that the dog did not kill his child, but rather killed the snack that tried to eat him. He ran back to save his dog and found it dead, and since then the prince never smiled and lived sad, remorseful for his injustice to his best friend. The lesson reminds us of the importance of giving the truth a chance to reveal itself before we take any action. Quick judgment and excessive emotion may lead to negative repercussions and irreversible mistakes. We also learned to appreciate people who are loyal to us and stand by us in difficult times. The dog in the story is a symbol of loyalty and protection, and he was wrongly convicted. Therefore, we should give others the opportunity to defend themselves and not judge them quickly.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share.